You don't come by saying it. I don't want to feel hot.
Bamwita Chris Easy, how are you feeling today?
SEKOMA, SEKOMA.
Oh my god. Go SEKOMA, SEKOMA. Ariko nashyushye rero. Buriya muri kumbona gute?
You don't come by saying it. I don't want to feel hot.
Mbabarira. Easy. So you guys, turi kuri set, tugiye gutangira. We're about to shoot SEKOMA, ngo starring DARINA KAYUMBA. I'm here with the one and only makeup artist, Miss Sunshine. Rero, the one you've all been waiting for, Chris Easy, ari nyuma hariya, reka muhamagara aze. Ariko ikibazo ndi kubona ari kuvugana n'umuntu, but ibyo nta kintu bimbwiye. Bamwita Chris Easy, how are you feeling today?
SEKOMA, SEKOMA.
Oh my god. Yes, 1, 2, 3, go twagiye. Peace.
Are you singing my song?
Yeah. Okay. I'll go to a bit of the man behind the camera, the one and only Anu from Andorra. Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, go stream the song, bro.
Go stream the song, man.
Kuri Spotify. How good woman that
As you should.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
My mini is special. But I don't see how they feel. But for me, this is very good. Chris, how do you feel? How is it?
Speechless. I'm speechless.
I just wish I have marriage.
I mean, this is amazing. Tell us your secret.
Mutima w'urugo.
Thank you. There's more.
Why am I cute?
Why am I so cute? I don't know, man.
Dig.
Yeah, dig.
Man, Bano, why are you so cute?
You can't understand.
That's crazy.
People watching this, there is a guy behind the camera, he's very cute.
He's amazingly cute, you guys.
These people, man.
Video nijya kurangira tugomba kubereka ukuntu.
Yeah, we have to click the cam and then see your face.
Yes. Are you okay with it, Bano?
That's cool. I'm okay with it.
Not for me. I just have to share this card.
I make it
Let it be,
emphasis.
yeah.
Chris, what are you doing?
I'm tripping, man. Yeah, man. No, you just like. Sanguhagarara umfate nka kimwe tubitegereze.
Yeah, senior year, right?
Yego. Nigo tuguje kwiyandi ya urabo wicaye muri salo agafashwe tujyaho nyine uca muri salo bagufata bisanzwe nandi yo ku muhanda ndi like mbega
Ariko, English ariko
ingi cyo koza ari supermarket nayo ari ibintu byinshi.
Yes, I'm getting briefing. For the next scene from Chris. Really can.
Hello guys.
Yeah. Chris, what are we about to do?
We're about to do our coffee shop set.
Okay.
I'll be selling coffee. Like what do they call people like who sells coffee?
Barista.
Barista.
Yeah.
Baristas, right?
Barista. Yes.
I will be a barista.
Period.
And you'll be my client.
And I will be your client.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Singing barista.
So Chris, how do you find my outfit?
Anything that you wanna go do. Bro, chazi kama mugire. It's now go. This is our video channel. This like these things looks.
It looks amazing, you guys.
Man.
It is. Now when ndikubona wambaye neza, ngo I am your client.
Harya ngo no barista. Now I'm a singing barista. I'm a singing barista and this is my client.
We all look good as you can see.
Yeah,
So
man.
bear with us tugende.
I got the criticism.
Yeah. No, this thing nabonye uyu muntu atakazi cyane
Ntabwo biri kuva mu bana. Nyine. It is what.
Kaje, I'm ready.
So guys, we just finished shooting this part. We're actually gonna shoot another. I think we're left with 2 scenes, and then of course, because Tuzakora for 2 days. So this is the first day, and the second day. So, but with that being said, I hope y'all subscribe, like, share, comment, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This behind the scene of SEKOMA. Peace out.
I'm actually talking to my friend, my best friend, Pasi. Pasi, say hi to the camera. That's Pasi, everybody. Pasi. Oh my god. So hello beautiful people. So right now we're ending this go shooting day. How do you feel today, Chris?
I feel like it's day 1.
It's day 1, how not day 2?
Yeah, man. Day 2 is on.
Oh yeah, no need. No need. But guys, it was so much fun. We enjoyed. What was your favorite part?
Big. Oh yeah. My favorite part ni ingi tuzeho umuriro tugiye gushutinga.
Exactly. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Peace out.